In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Wix website to the editor. Whether you're transitioning your website to enhance its features or looking to refine its design, this process will guide you through each step smoothly and efficiently. Let's start by navigating to your Wix home interface. This is your control center for all website activities, so make sure you're logged in to access your dashboard. Once there, you'll want to look for the Site Actions area. It's an essential part of managing your website and is key in this transfer process. Clicking on Site Actions will reveal a menu that provides various options for managing your site. In this menu, you'll find an option to invite collaborators. This is a critical step if you plan on working in tandem with others or having someone else assist you in the editing process. Inviting collaborators effectively gives permission to those individuals to make changes or improvements to the site on your behalf. When you select this option, it opens up a field where you can type in the email address of the person you want to invite. It's important to ensure you've entered this correctly to avoid any misunderstandings or access issues. Next, you'll see different role options appear. These roles define what level of access your collaborators will have. Since you're aiming to transfer your Wix site to the editor, you'll need to specifically check the Website Designer role. This permission allows the collaborator to access the editor and make site design changes, which is crucial for this entire process. Once you have the correct role selected, it's time to proceed by sending the invite. You'll notice a Send Invite button, which you'll need to click to finalize this collaboration request. This action sends an email invite to the collaborator you've selected, informing them that they've been granted access to edit your website. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure that your team is ready to start working on the transition almost immediately. In certain cases, you might need to click Send Invite a second time. This could simply be a redundancy in the interface, but ensuring this step is completed guarantees that your collaborator gets the necessary access to begin transferring the site efficiently. And that's it. You've now completed the process of transferring your Wix website to the editor. By following these straightforward steps, you ensure a seamless transition, allowing you or your team to start making the necessary adjustments and innovations to your website using Wix's powerful editing tools. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content on website management and design tips. Happy editing!